Okay, just a quick video to show you how to make a line graph using the Google Spreadsheet. The first and most important thing is that you type your data into two columns. This first column will be your x-axis and the second column will be your y-axis. Remember, the x-axis needs to be the independent variable, the one that you'll change. Here we will be changing the depth at which we're measuring the temperature. The temperature is the dependent variable. This is the temperature is dependent on what the depth is. If your data was given to you as two rows, usually the top row is your x and the bottom row is your y. If the data is given to you in a table like this, x, y, usually, but just check it. Whatever you write into this cell is going to end up being your axis label for the x-axis, and similarly this is going to end up being your y-axis label. Now I've almost finished the data. I'll just throw in the last two, and now you can see that my data is the same. Now what I want to do is I want to highlight what I want to graph, and then I'm going to go Insert, Chart, and it comes up with the line chart as my first choice here. If it didn't for you, you'd need to click here and choose the appropriate graph that you want. From there you can change the title, you can change the axes, you can change any of these things. But a simple graph like this will show you that the relationship is present, and in this instance the relationship is as the depth of the water increases, the temperature of the water decreases. Thanks for watching.